Hello everyone. Let's start a new chapter, integers. Before that, please subscribe my channel Chaya Math Tutorial and like the video if you like it and share it. Chapter 1, that is integers. Integers means that you already learnt about whole numbers and natural numbers in the previous class. After that, this natural numbers and whole numbers, you will get a integers. Integer consisting of both natural numbers and a whole numbers. Firstly, definition. Integers contains whole numbers and negative numbers. So now let's represent this integer in a number line. This is a number line. This number line consisting of whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? Whole number consisting of 0 to infinite numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are all positive numbers. These are all positive. And negative numbers, that is -1, -2, -3, -4. These are all negative numbers. Integer consisting of both 0, positive and negative numbers, right? Now, why all these numbers are used to, these numbers, positive, negative numbers are used to solve some operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Now, state whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. Let's see. First point, when two positive integers are added, we get a positive number, right? For example, I will explain you in the example. First example 56 plus 73. Here both the integers are positive, so we will get a positive integer only. After adding the two positive integers, we will get a positive integer, that is 56 plus 73 is. Second point, when two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. For example, -10 minus 19, which is equal to -29. Here I had considered two negative integers. I am adding this. We know that minus into minus is plus, so we can add these two. So we add, after adding, the symbol for this will be taken as a greater number sign. Greater number sign has to be put, so we get a negative integer. Third point, when a positive integer and a negative integers are added, we get a both negative and a positive integer. For example, -56 plus 73 will be gives here minus negative integer will be there, positive integer will be there. So plus into minus is minus, so we need to subtract. 73 minus 56, that is minus 56 plus 73 is 17. We get a positive sign because the greater number sign is plus. In the example 2, I can take minus 113 plus 82. Here minus 113 plus 82 will be a subtraction. We need to do subtraction. We left with a 31 and we get a negative sign because here the greater number sign will be negative. Okay. Now, fourth topic, additive inverse of an integer is integer 8 is minus 8, and if the integer additive inverse of an integer minus 8 is positive plus 8. If the positive integer become a inverse means minus 8, and if we take a inverse of negative integer means we get a positive integer with the same number. Now let's solve exercise 1.1. Now exercise 1.1, page number 4. First problem, the following number line shows the temperature in a degrees Celsius at the different places on a particular day. Here they given the number line. In this number line they had mentioned the some of the states with a temperature in a degree Celsius. Here they given Shimla it is 5 degree Celsius. Here the Ooty they given after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degree Celsius for this, and Bangalore is 21, 22 degree Celsius. Like this, Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. This Lahul Spiti is 8 degree minus 8 degree Celsius. So by using all this we need to solve these 4 questions. First one, A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, let's solve the first question. Places marked on it are the temperature of the places marked on it are, first one, places had written temperature. We need to see the number line and mark here. Bangalore. In the Bangalore they are showing that it is 22 degrees Celsius. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Let's write down all those things. Temperatures: Bangalore 22 degree, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius Shimla, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius, and Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Next question, B. What is the temperature difference between first question in that B, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? We need to find the difference of the two states temperature. Okay, that is hottest. Here the hottest degree is highest temperature will be Bangalore and lowest will be the Lahul Spiti. We need to take the difference of these two. So that I had taken the temperature of the hottest places Bangalore, that is 22 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the coldest place is Lahul Spiti, that is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. I had taken the difference, that is 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius, because I had put a bracket for this because it is negative. That's why I am taken a bracket. So minus into minus is plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now add these two. 22 plus 8 is 30 degree Celsius. Therefore, it is 30 degree. The difference of the between the hottest and the coldest place will be the 30 degree Celsius. Now see, what is the temperature difference between the Lahul Spiti and the Srinagar? In this we need to find a difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius and temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Difference is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. First you have to take a minus 2 because minus 2 is greater than the minus 8. That's why I am taken minus 2 first degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. Then plus 8 minus 2 will be plus 6 degree Celsius. Next, D. Can we say temperature of a Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? We need to check out the temperature of these two states together. That is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. First we do the together of these two states. First, Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. That is 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. That is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla will be together as 3 degrees Celsius. Is it 3 degrees Celsius is greater than Shimla and Srinagar? No, which will be less than 5 degrees Celsius. Thus, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. There is a sub question will be there. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? We need to check out this. It is less than the Srinagar or not. We check out for Shimla. Now we are checking for Srinagar. Now the temperature of Srinagar will be the minus 2 degrees Celsius. We find out the together temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, that is 3 degrees Celsius, which is greater than the Srinagar temperature. That means the Srinagar temperature is not the together temperature is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Hence solved.